Go. So we have an old school IDE hard drive, and it has, I can't even tell how much, oh, there you go, it's 80 gigabyte hard drive. Maybe useful on a really old PC, but not really useful anymore. So we got the little hard drive board. Those go for quite a bit. Obviously if you scrap it, you'll get 75 cents a pound about, but if you open it up, you got the aluminum and all that, the motors, the platters, all sellable on eBay. You can get quite a bit of money for those, so put this aside. And we have another nice little peripheral board here. Take that apart. There you go. So we got some wire, and there's plenty of good wire in here, which I usually get approximately more or less 80 cents a pound locally. And this little board has quite a bit of gold. You got gold over here, gold tip here, you got the IC chips, some good value on this little guy if you're into the gold refining and all that. If not, again, peripheral board. And like you can see, there's all sorts of wire here. There's tons of it, just everywhere. And since this is all going in the trash, it doesn't matter if I cut it up or not. Another hunk of steel. As you can see, there's plenty of wire. Some metal. Should be a motor in here somewhere. So I'm definitely going to go into this a little more. Other than this area here, there's not much else of value. It's mostly a lot of plastic. So I'm not going to go in too deep into that. Let's take this out. Let's see what's behind this hunk of metal. And there is not much behind the hunk of metal other than some more wire that you can get at. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much for this area. That's pretty much it. A little board.